You're my sunshine in the brain when it's going. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter.
Hey guys, it's Taylor, aka BeautyThat, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to complete this chocolatey look right here using Fenty Beauty, Marc Jacobs, and Urban Decay. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with Fenty Beauty's Matchsticks Trio, and I'm taking caramel. I say caramel. It's a thing. Whatever. I'm taking caramel. Ugh, caramel. What? Ah! Tomato. So I'm starting with Fenty Beauty's Matchsticks Trio in caramel, and I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes and on any like blemishes and that good stuff. It's concealer, so go ahead and conceal. I'm gonna make this a little thicker. I usually just do underneath my eyes, and for some reason I have 3 random bumps right here. This might be a little too much. It's fine, we'll blend it out. I don't want my forehead to be a shiny headlight, but it's fine. I look a mess. This is the thumbnail, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just gonna go in with, this is supposed to be a blend and contour brush, but I use it for foundation. Fenty Beauty's foundation, no filter. And my shade is 400, so because I'm not over a sink, well no. I guess I could do it. I usually go right on the face, so I'll just do that. A dot everywhere in no particular order. Right? Blend that bad boy out. I'm probably going to have to apply more. When I use concealer, I just make sure I go right on top of it. I try not to blend it out too much because I'm actually trying to cover something that it looks like I'm jabbing my eye. I don't know why it always looks like that. I have to be a lot more gentle with my skin, even though it doesn't hurt. It's fine. It's like it naturally blends together, all of her products. All the Fenty products just work. And they work together better. I'm gonna just mute myself for this. I just never do talk throughs, and I feel like you guys may want, I don't know, if it doesn't work out, I won't do a talk through again. But it's fine. I also feel like since I haven't been here like posting videos in a while, you guys might have forgotten how my voice sounds. No, I don't know. Talk throughs, you're just gonna hear me ramble a lot and my inner thoughts. So if you enjoy that, here you are. I'm probably done blending because I didn't put that much on, but just so I don't have to go back and do more. Yeah. I think this is gonna be a lot longer of a tutorial because I'm talking it out. I'm not going to talk about the talk through anymore. I'm gonna let it be. Alright, I think we're good. Alright, fellas. Oh gosh. Guys. How y'all not tell me this whole thing was not blended right here? Oh no. So now I'm just putting on Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer potion. Just the original. I'm basic. That's about it. And now I'm blending it out. I always do this messily, it looks like I'm killing my eye, all that good stuff. It's fine. And my goal is to make this look like chocolatey and brown, even though I think most people are in winter. What am I getting? Eyeshadow. Done. Fenty Moroccan Spice. So I'm using my angled crease eyeshadow brush and Come and Get It, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to put on my crease. And probably wherever else the brush takes it. Honestly, it's a YOLO with eyeshadow. As long as your eyeliner's good, you're gonna look fine. I also learned that if you use falsies, it covers up stuff. And I'm gonna make a video of me trying falsies for the first time because I've never had false lashes on. I've never worn it. I've never tried it. I don't know how it works. I don't know. I blend as I go. I'm going like further and further up when it doesn't need to go that far up, Tay, but it's okay. And now I'm going in with what I believe is Hennessy. I believe, just this dark chocolatey brown. With this bad boy, your girl is gonna, I'm just gonna line it as if it is liner, but I'm going over the lid and everything, just like that. It's gonna get really dark. I'm just going across, even over the lid. And then I'll go back with the other one, but just make sure it's in this crease. Crease that bad boy. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go back in with this, but I'm not putting any extra shadow on it. Just blending. And now I'm going in with, bruh. I keep messing up how to read this. I believe this one is called Desert Baked. It makes sense. This one right here, Desert Baked. And I'm just gonna use my finger and put that on my lid. Just shimmer it up, shine it up a little bit. Why did I choose my ring finger to do this? Blending out the shimmer again. Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. Your girl is going to wing it up, which for me, personally, makes the look. As much as I wish I could talk during eyeliner, I really can't. I have to like hold my breath. For eyeliner, you just, what I do at least, I make one dash going up for the wing. I go across, fill it in. Scared the bejesus out of me. Hey mom, you scared me.
I scared you?
Yeah. I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs mascara, and I also got this for Christmas. We gonna use this bad boy. I'm calling everything a bad boy. Why can't there be bad girls? I'm digging this mascara. The more I apply, the longer my lashes get. What? Woo! Okay. Okay, Marc Jacobs. I see you. Fam, I see you. Wow. 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 This is... This is natural lashes. Oh my god. Contour or nah, because I'm not that experienced, but the only way to get better is to do it. Let's see. We're gonna use truffle and this oval brush and try to contour a little bit. I'm gonna try not to do too much, but your girl has a history for just overdoing things. I think that's a decent amount. We're gonna try to blend it out to the best of our abilities. Without messing up our edges or making our cheeks look like I don't know. We have a lot of steps left and I don't have any storage left, so that's always fun. Alright, I'm just gonna go back in with this right here for my cheeks and then start blending that back in, just so the contour doesn't like mess up. I don't know, I feel like I blended it wrong, but it's fine. We're gonna make it work. So now I'm going to use Fenty Beauty's Trophy Wife as my highlight. And again, I'm using a brush for the wrong purposes. This is a blush brush. That's always going to be a tongue twister for me. And I just dropped my highlighter all over the floor because it's broken. So shaking that like a Polaroid picture, starting on the nose. Is there anything on this brush? Alright, highlight on the nose. Cheeks. Cheeks popping. Might be too much, but a wise woman said that you can never have too much highlight. So I'm gonna go by those words, even though my nose is like yellow at this moment. So to finish off the look and really bring the chocolate vibe all together, of course, we're gonna be using Unveil Fenty Beauty. I didn't think I was a dark lipstick person until this lip stain came out, so. Chocolate look complete. So we basically use the Moroccan Spice for eyeshadow, the Fly Liner for eyeliner. We used our Marc Jacobs mascara, Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife for a highlight. We use Fenty for foundation. I'm shade 400. This is just a quick recap. And then we used Unveil for our chocolatey lip gloss, lipstick. Am I done? I feel like I need some like highlight in my inner corners though, but I don't know if Trophy Wife or a brown highlight. But we've already pulled out Trophy Wife, so that means we're using Trophy Wife. Alright, that's what we decided to do. Now we're done. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you really want more videos like these, make sure to comment that down below. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to follow me on social media. I'll have my Instagram either somewhere here or definitely in the description box below. I also have a Snapchat, so make sure to follow me there as well. If you have any requests for videos that you want to see, especially in January or just videos in the near future, please comment that down below as well. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to beauty that. Bye. Mwah. Now I'm shining bright like a diamond. I didn't have any so that is the final look. This is gonna be in the bloopers. I already know, it's been a while. It's fine. And to finish off the look and to just really bring the, I just crossed my eyes. To finish off the look and, so to finish off the look and really, why can't I speak?